The internet has revolutionized how we shop. People buy almost anything online. This creates a big opportunity for you. Selling online can be lucrative and fulfilling. Whether you're selling handmade crafts or vintage clothing, there's a place for you in the online marketplace. This guide will help you navigate the exciting world of online selling. We'll cover everything from choosing the right platform to marketing your products effectively. Follow these tips and tricks to turn your passion into a thriving online business. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey. The world of online selling awaits. With hard work and dedication, you can achieve your entrepreneurial dreams. Let's get started. The first step is to choose where you'll sell your products. Many online marketplaces cater to different niches and audiences. Etsy is perfect for handmade and vintage items. Amazon is a giant for general merchandise. Shopify lets you create your own online store. Consider your target audience and the type of products you sell. Do some research and compare fees, features, and ease of use. The right platform can make or break your success. Take your time and choose wisely. Once you've found the perfect marketplace, you can start building your online presence. Your product listings are your storefront. They need to grab attention and make people want to buy. High-quality photos are crucial. Showcase your products from different angles. Use good lighting. Write clear and concise descriptions. Highlight the benefits of your products. Pricing is also important. Research your competitors. Consider your costs. Find the sweet spot that attracts customers and makes you profit. Creating great listings is only half the battle. You need to get people to see them. This is where marketing comes in. Social media is your friend. Create engaging content, run targeted ads, interact with your followers. SEO is also key. Use relevant keywords in your listings. Email marketing is another powerful tool. Build an email list and send out newsletters and promotions. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for your business. Providing excellent customer service is essential for online success. Respond to inquiries promptly and professionally. Be helpful and friendly. Make the return process easy. Go the extra mile to resolve issues. Happy customers become repeat customers. They also tell their friends about you. Building trust and loyalty is crucial for long-term success in the online marketplace. Section 6. Managing the back-end inventory, shipping and payments. Selling online involves more than just listing products. You need to manage inventory, shipping, and payments. Keep track of your stock. Set up efficient shipping methods. Choose reliable payment gateways. Good organization is key to running a smooth operation. Consider using inventory management software and other tools to streamline your processes. Section 7. Understanding analytics. Tracking your progress and making adjustments. Data is your friend. Most online platforms provide analytics to track your progress. Pay attention to key metrics like website traffic, conversion rates, and customer demographics. This information helps you understand what's working and what's not. Use it to make informed decisions about your listings, marketing, and overall strategy. Regular analysis helps you optimize your efforts and achieve better results. Don't be afraid to experiment and adjust your approach based on the data you gather. Section 8. Scaling up, growing your online business. Once you've established your online presence, it's time to think about growth. Explore new marketing channels. Expand your product line. Consider hiring help to manage increased demand. Collaborate with other businesses. Continuous growth and innovation are essential for staying ahead in the competitive world of online selling. Never stop learning and exploring new opportunities to expand your reach. Section 9. Conclusion. Your journey to online sales success. Selling products online is an exciting and rewarding journey. By following the tips and tricks outlined in this guide, you can set yourself up for success. Remember to choose the right platform, create compelling listings, market your products effectively, and provide excellent customer service. Embrace the ever-evolving world of e-commerce. With hard work, dedication, and a passion for what you do, you can turn your online selling dreams into a reality.